Hello guys, welcome to the Promodel series. Today I'm bringing you a new video. We're going to start with the exercise that I explained before that we were going to develop on the channel. So the first thing that we want to do is go ahead and open the software, the Promodel software. In this case I have the 2016 version and it's a student trial, so it has some limitations, but it is okay for the exercise that we want to do and the model that we want to build. So once we have opened the softwares, the first thing that we want to do is go ahead and bring our personalized layout. For that, all we need to do is click here on graphics, then go to the toolbar and click on edit and import graphics, and it will show us, it will let us select the image that we want. In this case this looks more like a car workshop where we can create the model, and then the locations. Okay, so once we have done that, we can go ahead and save the model. I'm gonna save it on my desk. It's gonna be called Promodel exercise 1. And it should be okay. Now the second thing that we want to do is go ahead and create the locations. For that, all we need to do is go to the build toolbar and select on locations. It will display us like a graphic window where we can select like an image for the location. The first location that we want to do, that we want to create, is an entry for our car workshop where the jobs will arrive, and I think it's okay if we put it here. That looks like an entry for this layout. Okay, it is a region, so it is represented by a rectangle. The second location that we want, according to our exercise, is going to be a QE where the jobs wait. Okay, so we're going to select this one. This is the QE on Promodel. So let's go ahead and select it and bring it to the layout. It's going to go from the entry all the way to the workstation. So let's do it. And the third location that we want is going to be the workstation. So let's select another region and build it right here. This looks like the workstations on this layout. Yeah, that looks more like it. And from here the jobs will go to the exit, but the exit is a location that we don't need to build. So let's save the model again and give names to the locations that we have right here. Okay, so the first is going to be the entry. This is the QE. And this is the workstation. Okay guys, so now we have the locations that we need and a layout that looks more like a car workshop. Hope you enjoyed the video. Next time I'm going to bring you the entities. They're going to be like the cars and the jobs, and from there we will move on all the way to the processing and statistics that we want to see on the model. Thank you for watching guys, bye.